Hello, this is Albert. Just wanted to show you the American Wonderland shower valve installed in copper. A little bit more challenging because of the way your inlets and outlets are lined up here. This is your cold here, it's your hot here, but as you can see, this is lined up both bucket trucks. You have to work around them, but otherwise seems like a good product. I just like to make these videos to help someone else who might be looking to do this job. Even the little details sometimes help. Please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Thank you.